When looking at the production of materials or information, it is important to understand how flow occurs. With this in mind, we can break the flow of production down into four general stages: wait points, move points, processing points, and inspection points. Wait points, also known as retention points or queue points, are points in a process where items are retained for various reasons. This could be for stocking, awaiting move, awaiting processing, or simply just staging. Wait points generally take up a large portion of a process and can provide significant opportunities for improvements. When wait points are reduced, lead times go down. Next, we have move points. These are sometimes referred to as transfer points or transportation points. Move points are the points in a process where items or information are moved from one point to another. While these points don't generally take too long, they are, in general, the second biggest opportunity for improvement in a process, and they can help reduce lead times when improved too. After move points, we have processing points. Processing points are the points in a process where value-added activities occur. In other words, these are activities that transform a product or service from one condition to another, are done right the first time through, and somebody is willing to pay for them. Processing points do not take up a lot of the total lead time in a process. In fact, they make up the least amount of time. Since these activities are directly related to the transformation of materials or information, many people often make attempts to address these activities first by bringing in new tools, machines, or resources. With this in mind, it is often a much better approach to look at these types of improvements last and first deal with improvements related to the elimination of waste. The final point we alluded to was inspection points. Inspection points are those points where materials or information are inspected and defects are removed. In a pull system, inspection points are built into each operation so that defective parts do not proceed from any point where a defect occurs, while downstream internal inspections still occur to ensure no defects have slipped through. This is really only a safety measure. Mistake-proofing devices like Poka-Yokes are built all through the process to catch errors and prevent defects. In addition to Poka-Yokes, Ondon lights, trained workers, and standardized processes are in place to support the prevention of defects. This is all part of the Jidoka pillar that helps build quality into an organization, or in our case, the pull system. As you've learned, eliminated wait points can oftentimes make the largest impact on improving wait times. When this occurs, a process can often move from frequent stop-and-go production to a much more efficient process-and-go production environment. As you can see by this very basic process level example, when wait points are improved, the process becomes much more efficient, effective, and lead times are reduced drastically. With this very basic breakdown of a process, we can now start to see how we will begin to make things flow. We'll see you in the next module.